Dave Ramsey's famous for saying, "Sell the car." But what would he say about a boat? Obviously, you might be thinking he's against buying a boat. Not so fast. Did you know Ramsey is a boat guy? He even knows how to wake surf. A couple rules Dave Ramsey has about vehicles. Obviously, pay for it in cash. Buy a couple years old, reliable vehicle. And number 3, as a general rule of thumb, the total value of your vehicles, anything with a motor in it, should not be more than half of your annual household income. We bought this boat for $10,500. Today, I have to live like nobody else. So tomorrow, I can live like nobody else.